installation instructions. Double-click the installer package file. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. You may be prompted to enter your password. Depending on your hardware, installation may take some time. To check printer features and settings, close the window and click the System Settings gear icon. In the search bar, type printers. Note the many features and settings. If you need any additional support, call our local service hotline.